Welcome to your second lesson. Now we're going to get down to business. As we continue to work together on this course, I'm going to increase the speed and difficulty of our touch typing exercises. But don't worry. Follow my keyboard and repeat these lessons as often as you need to. In this lesson, we'll start with a harder review of the letters you've already learned. Let's begin with your left hand in the letters A, S, D, and F. F, F, D, D, S, S, A, F, F, D, D, S, S, A, F, F, D, F, F, D, F, F, S, F, F, S, F, F, A, F, F, A, F, D, S, A, F, D, S, A, S, D, F, A, S, D, F, F, D, S, A, S, D, F. Good job. Keep it up. Now let's try these same left-hand letters scrambled together. F, A, D, S, D, A, F, S, S, A, F, D, D, S, A, F, F, A, S, D, A, D, F, S, S, D, A, F, A, F, D, S, F, D, S, A. Great work. Give your left hand a good stretch. Keep on your toes. I'm going to keep changing the letters around. Let's work on your right hand and the letters J, K, L, and SEM. J, J, K, K, L, L, SEM, SEM, J, J, K, J, J, L, J, J, SEM, J, K, L, SEM, J, K, L, SEM, J, K, L, SEM, SEM, L, K, J, SEM, L, K, J, SEM, L, K, J. You did it. Stretch your right hand and take a few deep breaths. You should take a break before we get into the next part. It's going to be harder. Just relax, breathe, and I'll be waiting for you in the next lesson. See you soon.